your girl Chantel Artist. Welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing an unboxing / review of a sneaker that I got during my birthday in the summertime. Okay, it was a gift given to me for my birthday, and I'm just now doing the review, and I'm just now starting to wear them. So yeah, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, be a part of the family. And to all my subbies, thank y'all so much for rocking with me. This is going to be a quick informative video of the Reebok Freestyle high sneaker. And yes, so I got this bad boy. Yep. So like I said, I got this back in July, so it's not gonna be like a real unboxing, okay? But I wore them for the first time today. So I was out and about, so it's already a little bit dirty on the bottom of the shoe. But so okay, first of all, I like all things like back in the days, like that classic feel. I'm a sucker for that type of nostalgia. Like, I am a sucker for it, for real. So I wanted the classic Reeboks. I wanted to, you know, bring my childhood memory back into like my adulthood. So I was just like, yes, I gotta cop me a pair, okay, for my adult life. I have to cop me a pair of these Freestyles. So I was in the I like bold colors, I do, okay? So the colors that I was looking at is the red one, a yellow one, and the turquoise one. And I was like, I really want a red sneaker, but I'm saving a red sneaker for the Nike Air Max red sneakers, like the ID Nike Air Max one. So I'm saving that red for that one, okay? So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get the Reebok in that. So then it was down to the yellow or the turquoise color, and I was like, oh, which one? And I was like, okay, I feel like yellow, you can wear it any, you know, throughout, whatever, but I feel like it was more so summery for me, even though I know that I could wear it in the fall and I could wear it, you know, during the winter time, especially out here in California where it doesn't really get cold. I knew that I can, but I was just like, I'll save that for another sneaker, you know? So I decided to do turquoise. So these bad boys, what? I was super excited. Look how cute these, you can't tell me these aren't fly. You cannot tell me, you would not convince me. No ma'am, no sir, okay? You would not convince me these aren't fly. These are super dope. You can rock, yo. The styling that I'm going to be doing with these bad boys is going to be infinite, okay? As I wore today, you see this like shirt that I got on. I actually went thrifting the other day, and I got this shirt for 99 cents with the shoulder pads. It's the shoulder pads for me. It's the shoulder, but I paired this with, it's like a crop top. I'm gonna put pictures on it, but I paired it with some sweats, and then like literally had these bad boys on because this shirt is really colorful and it has hints of turquoise in it. So, and listen, when it comes down to fashion, it comes down to style, I'm going against the norm. Like, for real, I'm not gonna do something that's gonna be in that box, that cookie cutter. Most of the time I do, but a lot of times I don't. And I like to just mix it up. And yo, I was definitely getting looks. People were like, yes, listen, you can't tell me a compliment goes a long way, okay? When you feeling good, first of all, I don't dress for other people. I really don't. I dress for me. But when someone validates how you're feeling on the inside and a stranger's like, sis, you looking good, you just want to be like, oh, thank you. Like, for real, it fills your head up even more. Like, you just walk with the confidence of like, okay. But anyways, let me go to the specs. I'm running too much, but yeah, so because I haven't bought these since I was younger, I haven't had them when I was younger, and my feet is weird. And if you saw my review on the Feli's Destructors, I did not do my research before buying those shoes. And it is so crazy. I was like, you know what, let me do my research because I want to let the person know that like, hey, this is the size that I am. Because typically for sneakers, I'm a size 7. Now I already had the basic knowledge that these Reeboks run really narrow. So if you have wide feet, be on the lookout for that, okay? But they run really narrow and thin. So I'm like, okay, I'm a size 7 when it comes down to sneakers. And when I did some more research, like just how they run besides the narrowness of it, people were saying that to size up a half, you know, because, you know, they could be a little bit tighter. So I'm like, okay, bet. Okay, I feel confident enough with getting a 7.5. So I'm really happy and really thankful that I did get a 7.5 because it fit perfectly. It fits like a glove, and I am just super happy. Like, you can't, listen, you just can't go wrong with the classic. Like, you need to have a classic, a staple classic sneaker in your wardrobe, in your closet, and Reeboks Freestyle High is one of them to have, for real. So I'm super excited about that. So they are affordable in my opinion. They run about like, if you go to Reeboks on Reebok's site, they run about $75. That's average, you know, that's the average cost of it is $75. But, you know, if you go to like Nordstrom Racks, or if you go to like DSW, if you go to even Amazon, you probably can get them for a little bit cheaper, like $30, $40, and get like good steals, because, you know, you could find it. You just got to know where to shop and know where to look to find it. If you don't want to go just straight up to the source and just get them and pay the $75, you can, like I said, go inside those stores, the Nordstrom Racks, the DSWs, and even the Burlington coat factories. You'll be surprised that you like, oh snap, I see them, and snag them. Take them, sis. Take them, sir. If you see it, take it, okay? Because I'm telling you, you're gonna be happy. You're gonna be content with your purchase. So I am extremely a happy customer. I have no complaints. And after I'm gonna put, like, you know, the pictures, I look fly. I look cute. I look on my, I don't even know if that's the words to that song, but yeah, like I said, this video was super short and super sweet because I will give this sneaker a 10 out of a 10. Like, I have genuinely no complaints about them. I guess the reason why I don't have any complaints is my feet aren't wide. So it's like, that's why I can't say that I will complain, because my feet aren't wide. So they're super comfortable for me. And I got the right size this time, so I'm happy. Let me know if you own a pair in the comments. If you own a pair of Reebok Freestyle Highs, if you own a pair, what colors you got? Let me know if you're gonna get some, and let me know what color you gonna get. And let me know what sneaker should I do? What should I get? I'm trying to step my sneaker game up, okay? I have a lot of basic classic sneakers, like the Converse, the Adidas, whatever. It's real basic. It's really basic for me. So I'm trying to step up. I do, like I said, I mentioned that I do want the Nike ID, kind of the Nike Air Max ID. I do want those. I want the red ones. And I do want some Jordan 1s. Like, I don't know, like, I've been seeing the Jordan retros. That might be, but you know what? I refuse to spend like hundreds of dollars on these like people that I'm not going straight to the source, because because they jack the price up when it comes down to Jordans. But if you go to the website and if they're selling it, it's not that pricey like how they're trying to jack it up. So it's like, oh, I'm out. This is when I wish I was in New York City, because I swear my family got the plug. Like, in New York, there's the plug. When you get dope kicks in New York, is literally, so if you have a plug to try to get me these retros, these Jordan 1 retros, hit me in the comments, okay? Let me know, okay? So I can just be like, come on, put your sister on, put her on. I'm trying to look fresh like y'all, for real. But anyways, thank y'all so much. If y'all sneakerhead, hey, I'm trying to be a baby sneakerhead, because like I have tons of heels, I have tons of flats. And like I said, I gotta step up my sneaker game. So it's gonna get stepped up. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, be a part of family. And until next time, peace out. Hey.